Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anfis and this is my new video. My braids look crazy, so I'm just gonna stay here and do like remake my braids with me. So I'm just gonna start with this one that I already took off, and I'm gonna answer a few questions that everybody asked me about my braids. Those are my real hair. Those ones. The one that you guys see are the extensions. Yes, I do braid by myself. I don't need nobody to make my hair. I do my braids like once a month. Like if you guys can see, I retouch them like once a week, or like every time like maybe I'm watching a movie or I don't know, I'm watching TV, so I can just redo them. I've been having braids since I was, let's say like 4 years ago. I do not do other people's hair because I tried and then people are like too nasty and they be doing like, don't push me or like stuff like that, and I cannot stand things like that. So I don't do people's hair. Of course, like some of my friends been asking, I've been like, be nice and be doing that for them. Okay, so this is the actual extension. I wanted a braid with. Everybody's asking me, do you paint them? No, you can just buy them with the color that you like. And I usually get the black, that is always B2 or B1, and then silver, I don't remember the number. This is the gel that I actually use all the time. It's almost over, but I don't know, this was like $3. I know everybody knows it. Everybody know which one I use. Like over. So what to do? I take a lot of gel over here, and then I put it in my hair. So if you guys wanna know, one trick that I've been using now is that when I take my hair, you never wanna twist them. So instead of doing like something like this, you're just gonna go natural. I don't know why, I feel like it's better for my hair. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but this is what I've been doing. So I don't know why when I do these videos, like I'm always dressed bad, like I'm always wearing my pajama, and I usually dress nice, guys. Like you can check out my Instagram, I'm gonna leave it in the description down below. Anyway, I have a news for everybody, so I wanna start doing like a playlist of video called Fashion Friday. So that means that every Friday I'm gonna be talking about fashion. So Fashion Friday. So what you guys doing? Let me know if you guys know how to braid. Let me know if you guys braid people. Let me know if you guys have braids. Just leave everything in the comment down below. So I am planning on doing, can you shut the fuck up? So I am planning on doing a video where I redo my own braids. I just gotta wait a little bit longer because those are pretty new and I'm not tired of them. So update, I still don't have no job. I'm still living like summer. I've been going out. Summer is going to be lit. There's been so many parties, and you know, hopefully everything goes well. Gonna keep doing my YouTube channel, so I keep me out like a mental breakdown. This was the first one, so after I made it, I just put it in the back in my bun over here. Okay, and then I just feel, so like the one that I can actually feel my real hair is the one that I'm gonna redo it today. For example, this is my life, like high-key boring. I never dress nice, just, I don't know, like, and people will be watching my Instagram and think that I have this crazy life, but I really don't. So my skin is looking really good. I don't know why. I've been doing always the same shit, but like now it's glowing. I don't know, do you guys watch my Instagram stories today? It was fire. So one thing that I want to say today is that if I see you on Instagram and by your picture I understand that you stink, I'll block you. Unfollow you, block you, like was on the side that you can do whatever you want, but if I'm following you and you post picture where I can see that you stink, is over. It's so bad that from a picture, like how just somebody's hair look like or somebody's outfit look like or how she posed in the picture, like you can deadass see that she stink. Like I can feel that. I can even smell that shit. So if you guys see that I am following you, maybe it's because you stink. I know I'm nobody to say something like that, but I just think that you stink. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, like why do you guys unfollow people? Like I have so many unfollowers every day, maybe I stink. This is my real hair. Okay, so this braid is a little bit different because I use another type of hair. So the type of hair that I use, of course, they are extension, of course, they are super fake. They were like $5. And the brand that I use is Expression, I don't even know how to say it, but you guys know which one I'm talking about if you guys ever done braids or ever had braids. So again, I'm gonna go take my gel. Don't take whatever I have left. I have to go back and buy more. Like, it's crazy. I don't know who are the people that are watching this, but as you guys know, I'm Italian too. Io sono italiano, quindi se volete che io faccia un video in italiano, commentate qua sotto. Yo hablo español también, y si ustedes quieren que yo haga un video en español, solo me digan. Eu falo português também. E se vocês querem que eu faça um vídeo em português, só tem que comentar aqui abaixo. Oh, another question that everybody's been asking me is, do I wash my hair? Yes, I do. Of course, I don't wash them like every day. By the way, ASOS never gave me the collaboration that I've been waiting for. I'll be emailing them every day and they still don't give me a good answer why they wouldn't choose me. You guys know what you're gonna do for this summer. Are you guys gonna go away? Are you gonna stay here? Are you guys gonna party every night? Are you guys gonna be working? Just leave everything in the comment down below. We need the video ideas, so if you guys wanna like leave some idea over here, or if you wanna DM me on my Instagram, please, I just need ideas and I really wanna know what you guys want to see. I really hope this video was good. Who the fuck is outside? I don't even know if I'm recording right now. Can you imagine? Who is outside? Oh, just my hand. I'm done. I'm gonna go do something. I'm probably just gonna like lay in my bed for like 2 hours without doing nothing. If you guys don't follow me yet, please follow my Instagram. I'm gonna leave it in the description down below. And of course, if you guys didn't do it yet, please subscribe. We out.